Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally going to be doing a cooking video, which I've wanted to do for so long, but life has been so hectic. I was supposed to do it for Vlogmas, but you know how it is. So today we are going to do like a tuna pasta bake. I will put the actual name of it. It's hard to pronounce, I'm dyslexic, but it's free. The SYNS are free and it takes about 15 minutes to cook, so which I love. Everyone loves pasta, everyone loves tuna. Well, I'm hoping. But if no one likes this one, then that is totally fine. Put in the comments what you want to see next, because I want to do different things. I also want to challenge myself a bit more and not do so much easy. I want to keep challenge myself and get higher and higher. So yeah, if you've got anything you want to see, hit me in the comments. So let's get on to the ingredients. I'm just putting you up here so I can show you the ingredients, and then I'll pop you down so you can see everything. So basically we're going to start off with this pasta, and it's 200 grams, so only half of this that you'll need. Then you will need a 400 gram of chopped tomatoes. You need just one of the garlic clove. You will need 2 tablespoons of this stuff. I've never tried this stuff before. Hopefully it can, there you go. I've never tried this before, so this is going to be all new. This whole meal is free of sin. So then you'll need some tuna, but it says 160 grams, which is 145 in just a can. So it would be 1 can and a little bit in the other one. And then all you need is your pots and pans. So we've got the ingredients, which this is really easy to do. It takes about 15 minutes, as you can see. Hardly any ingredients, free of sins, and you can make about two servings. So if you're doing it like I'm doing it for me and my mum, so this will be good. And I still have a lot of pasta left over and some left over to maybe do it another day. So let's get on, because we've got to do the pasta first. So we are going to break that down and boil that for 10 to 12 minutes. So I've just put the pasta and some hot water in there. So now we're going to switch on the cooker and we're going to cook this for 10 to 12 minutes. Making sure it's on the... So now you get the crushed garlic clove and the tin of chopped tomatoes. You put it in a pan and then so it's like that. Boil for 5 minutes. Now so you're just going to mix the tomatoes and the garlic and let that boil for 5 minutes, while at the same time checking on your pasta. Making sure the pasta is soft, because you don't want it to be hard. Now we're going to get the tuna and this and put it in a bowl, mixing it together, and then once the sauce, tomato sauce and that is boiling, we can then add it in there and then stir it for another 3 to 4 minutes. So constantly checking the pasta, because you don't want it to be burnt. So I'm just opening. So now I've took the pasta off the cooker, and now we're going to put the tuna. So I've drained the water out. So again, I only need 1 full one, and then half to make it up. So bowl, make sure, oh lovely, lovely jubbly. Make sure it's all out. So while that's doing, just checking. Lovely, we can put that on, turn that off for a moment, and put that on the side. And just all in there. Let's get this up a bit. So then with, I'm trying 2 tablespoons of this. Oh, okay. So now you're gonna get the 2 tablespoons. I've never tried these before, so I'm new to this as well. So now you've got them, you just stir them in, because you've got to add them to the tomato and the garlic. So now we're going to add them to the tomato, and we're just going to add that to tomato, making sure all of it is in there. Then just stir it all in together, and then put it back on for 3 to 4 minutes, like so. So this recipe is all new, so it literally looks like that. So you just stir it in for 3 to 4 minutes. So while that is doing, we're going to drain the pasta. So now I'm going to drain the pasta. So that is all drained, and we're going to then put it in a bowl. So I've drained the pasta. That's really, really nice. Now we're just waiting. So I've added everything into the mixture. It looks so nice and smells so nice as well. So all I have to do is just serve it up, and there we go, all served up, ready to eat. Can't wait. So that is the cooking session over with. I can't wait to try this. Oh my god, it smells so nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big massive thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let me know what other cooking videos you would like to see. So I'll see you again next time. Bye my butterflies.